Hi guys, and welcome back to another PremiumPress video tutorial. Now today we're going to be discussing custom fields, and I'll be showing you how to set up custom fields for your new PremiumPress website. So to access custom fields, we go through the admin area of our WordPress website, we click on submission setup, and we click custom fields. Now basically custom fields allow you to add additional areas to our submission page. So if I quickly show you the submission page, if we go to the front end of our website, if we're going to post a job, under description we have obviously the title, the description, and here is where custom fields will be displayed. So as you can see, I've already got one quickly set up. It's called test, and obviously as you can see on the front end, this is what it looks like. If you want to edit a listing in the admin area, any listing, custom fields would then be displayed. If we edit the listing, on the right hand side at the bottom you can see custom fields are edited here as the admin. So anything you add here in the admin under submission setup and custom fields would be displayed on the front end here, and as an admin you can edit the custom fields for each listing here. So let me briefly show you what's available. If you expand this existing custom field, you can see a couple of different options. We have the display text, the database key, and this is the unique key that's displayed obviously in your WordPress database. The reference is this custom field. We have the display category, which means you can select and create custom fields specific to a category, which is very, very useful. We have obviously help text, so the user can kind of understand what you're asking them to input, and the input element itself. So we have input for basic text field, text area, checkbox, radio box, etc., etc. If you decide, for example, you want to add multiple fields, so if I just go ahead and another one, test 2, click on save. You can reorder the field simply by holding on it and dragging it up and down. So you can obviously change the location, the position of that field. And obviously you can delete any of the fields at any time by clicking on the X mark. Now obviously if users have already created data, so for example if you've already got data in your database for this custom field, so the custom key would be custom 1. If I deleted that key and then later on I decided I want it back, simply create the same custom field again with the same database key, and it will continue to reference this in your database. So basically custom fields are linked directly with the WordPress custom fields, and these are what custom fields look like in your WordPress database. So if I just go ahead and save this one, for example, I'll go testing 1 2 3, click save. If we can see on the left hand side, if I scroll down, obviously this value is testing here, and we can see where it's referenced in the database for WordPress here as custom 1, since this is the key we have for our custom key. Let's give this a refresh. Custom fields. Okay, so as you can see there we have custom 1, so this is what it looks like in the database, custom 1, and obviously the value that we've entered for this listing. So if you are importing data from say a text file or another system, if you set up your custom fields to match your existing custom fields in WordPress, then you can actually manipulate the data using the custom fields in your PremiumPress theme. So that's always very useful.